Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to another Smith's Mechanical video. So I'm just going to cover up quickly what we finished off between the last episode to now. So putting all that underbody rust coating stuff in, I've done that in the full floor and base of the cabin. So now the whole base up the wall is done, but I'm yet to do the pillars around and the roof, and then the back of this, so pretty much inside the car's done besides that hole. So I want to get that to that point, so there's nothing more to worry about in this area. So I'm just going to set up a time lapse and then quickly just wire wheel up all the pillars all through the windshield. The rear glass is done around it, but I'm going to clean all that off and do all the top of it down there across, and then the full roof. I'm just going to leave these on and go over them. But yeah, I'll set that time lapse up now and get cracking into that. But yeah, at this stage, this is what this is looking at. So a lot nicer, a lot more neater, and at least we know there's nothing missed. So I was cleaning out inside the car, which is in the previous episode, just going through time lapse everything, wire wheel, grinding it up, putting some primer on so it looks all nice. No, there's working there. But I was cutting out the factory footrest thing, just this, and I was getting on my nerves. One of the welds I couldn't break off, so I was just like kind of grinding it a bit, and I may or may not have gone straight through the floor. So I guess now's a good time to teach myself how to weld with gas, because I've never gas welded ever besides TIG. So I'm just gonna give it a crack, see how it turns out. I don't know really what to expect, but yeah, I only ever done flux core with a MIG, and I'm quite handy on a TIG. But I was like, oh well, I've got to do a lot of panel work using the MIG, so why not have a try now? We'll see how this goes. So I started off way too hot, and then I ended up way too cold, and now there's a lot of grinding to do. Don't look at that. That's room for improvement right there. That just means I can get better for the rest of the day. So we've knocked a lot of that back. No rust on any of the pillars, which is good. All structural. So all of the holes where it looked like it's been ripped out, I've made sure I've gone down to bare metal, and there seems to be no rust in any of the structure of the pillars or the roof. The roof looks mint. The only place where there's a little bit of damage in this guard here. I'll just turn this fan off. Yeah, so all those pillars, they're probably good how they are now. It's just taken off a couple of the top coats to see what it's like underneath. I've cleaned off wide wheel off this backpack now and see the roof is pretty much mint. Nothing in here. But yeah, I did find when I was up this end bog holes. So that's been rusted through there and just bogged up. I've taken all of the surface rust that's on here and then found this up here. There shouldn't be anything under there. I'll just give that a quick check and finish up getting all the glue out of here. Just getting rid of all that surface rust along there. And then I should be good to go over with a little bit more paint. I'm still going to just spray the rust converter on anything. It's good to have as a base coat. So if anything does start to form, it's all safe. But yeah, slowly. A lot of grinding. It's one of the best thing to do is just chuck some music in under the headphones, because you got to sit there for like 40 minutes, then a battery runs flat, and then you just, yeah, not fun. Okay, so I've continued wire wheeling down the back of the cabin. Majority of it now has been brought to bare metal. So all this with the black tinge has gone to bare metal, and then had some of the aerosol converter sprayed on it. So all this now, all this silver, shiny, up the rest of the pillars in around the gutter. I'm just going to apply some of the aerosol rust converter to that as my base coat. So if there is any signs of surface rust, it pretty much just caps it all in. So I'll just do that now.
Yeah.
Now all the rust converter has been applied on, it's gone black, sealed everything, so I may run out of this primer because there's not a lot left, but I'm just going to go and prime it all before we put the underbody paint on, so I'll do that real quick. Okay, so we have done the full floor now, the full roof, all of that's done. Just got this left to do, so that's going to wrap up this fortnight's episode. Stay tuned because next fortnight I'm dropping just a complete teardown on a 1FZ FE, which is the engine that is out of petrol 80 series cruiser inline 6. So I'll spend a couple of days fitting up a winch and stuff, which has been not very fun because nothing lines up, so I had to refabricate a bit of a bracket and the mount holes, but I'm off to do that now. So yeah, the Gemini's looking like this, all blacked out, all pretty. So yeah, I'll catch you all next fortnight, so please like, subscribe and stay tuned. Peace.